The Land Rover LR3 is a brand new vehicle which takes the place of the Discovery in Land Rover's US lineup. The mid-sized LR3 features full-time dual-range four-wheel drive, assisted by various electronic management systems to optimize traction, engine and transmission performance, suspension response, and braking in situations from paved highway driving to severe off-road challenges. In keeping with Land Rover's heritage, the LR3 is designed for taming the toughest terrain while providing a refined demeanor. Power comes from a 4.4-liter V8 engine, developing 300 horsepower and 315 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic with normal, sport, and manual modes. We found very strong performance in the Land Rover, with fuel mileage of just over 14 miles per gallon of premium. On-road handling is accurate enough, but has generally softer response characteristics than we'd like. In other words, it doesn't have a particularly sporty driving feel. The self-leveling, height-adjustable air suspension provides good ride quality on the road. Off-road, the LR3's ride and handling are excellent, helped out by comfortable, supportive front seats. The roomy interior provides seating for 5, with optional rear jump seats available for 2 additional smaller passengers. An asymmetrical split liftgate tailgate provides easy access to the large cargo area of the LR3. 3 glass sunroofs allow plenty of light inside the Land Rover, but there are no solid panels to block the sun's rays, just opaque screens. Some of the controls for various systems will require a thorough read of the owner's manual for a complete understanding, and may be a bit more complex to operate than necessary. But they do allow you to tailor the Land Rover's responses to specifically suit your preferences and needs. The LR3 is very well equipped, with a number of standard and optional features to enhance the comfort, safety, and enjoyment of drivers and passengers. With items like heated leather seats, parking distance sensors, a navigation system, adaptive xenon headlights, front and rear fog lights, a heated windshield, and automatic dual-zone climate control, in addition to the electronic stability and traction systems, this vehicle is ready to please. Pricing starts at just under $45,000 and includes quite a bit of the good stuff. For those who want the utmost in off-road capabilities, combined with comfort, luxury, and refinement, the Land Rover LR3 is certainly worth putting on the shopping list.